In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare a super simple apple and cinnamon detox drink that will naturally aid in weight loss, increase your energy levels, fire up your metabolism, and detox your body of harmful toxins, help against bloated or feeling fatigued, so that you can go on with your day, while also providing excellent nutritional values to aid in weight loss and improve your immune system. I will explain the health benefits of having this super simple apple and cinnamon detox drink as part of a regular diet at least 2 to 3 times per week, and will explain how easy it is to prepare all in under 5 minutes. This healthy drink consists of only 3 simple ingredients that are easily accessible. These ingredients are 1/4 cup of chopped apple, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a glass of water. Once you have everything gathered, add all the contents to a glass and mix everything together until you have a consistent texture. Once all the contents have been mixed, you can place everything into a jar or container and place in the fridge to be left overnight. For the most effective results, make sure to drink a glass of this drink first thing in the morning as soon as you get up on an empty stomach. This simple and healthy drink not only helps and boosts the immune system, but it also helps to detox the body, help to lose stubborn belly fat while improving digestion, improve brain function and health, while also lowering blood sugar levels, plus it tastes great. This is a simple drink that won't take long to prepare, and you will be pleasantly surprised how good it tastes. That will get your morning off to the perfect start, will satisfy your appetite and leaving you feeling fully energized. If you are looking for an excellent weight loss plan to get you on the right track to feeling better and have more energy, then be sure to check out the link in the description to help get you started. Again, if you are finding the content in these videos to be useful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to be made aware of future content. And as always, thanks for watching.